Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video we're going to talk about how to make mtori, jinsi ya kupika mtori, and here are our ingredients. You need some potatoes, onions, carrots, hoho, bananas, and some boiled meat. This meat is really so boiled, and then beef cubes or any other spice of your choice. So make sure you watch till the end. Subscribe if you've not, comment, like, and share, and let's just dive into it. So here is my made peel. I've just peeled these potatoes and bananas. So I'm going to put them to a boil with some little water in this medium pot of mine. Then I'm going to boil. Just follow up so that you get to see what I do. Makumi, this is the one of the best food for picky eaters. Like my daughter is a picky eater, but if you make this, she'll eat because she doesn't know what's in it. So this is one of the best meals you can cook for them, and also for yourself if you just want some good soup. Yeah, so yeah, just follow up so that you see how this one turns out. So I'm just going to put this one to transfer them into this pot so that I can put them to boil. Yeah, here I'll just put the bananas and the potatoes to a boil. I didn't mention I added some pinch of salt, but you can add later, though if you want you can still add it at this point. I've prepared the ingredients. So there are some carrots here, some tomatoes, hoho, onions, and some dhania or coriander. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the bananas and the potatoes to be cooked, then I'll show you what you're going to do with this. By the way, mtori is simply just potato and banana soup. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I make my own, how I always make my sweet mtori. So here they're already cooked. I'm just waiting for them to cool down so that I can blend. Here, just transfer everything to the blender and then put all your spices in the blender, and then use the meat soup to just blend everything up so that you can have a smooth paste. After blending everything up, these were the oil from the beef that you see, the fat. So you can add oil or you cannot add oil, it just depends with what you like. So just cook it, then add the blended mixture and then cook. Here you can add any spice that you love, but I just added salt and beef cubes, that's it. So just make sure your mixture also is blended, and maki, you can also add chilies if you love them. Just add chilies, but add if you've already removed like the kids food, then add, remember the meat, yeah, just mixed it up and then just allow it to cook till you prefer it. Like as much as you prefer it, just let it cook. And if you can notice, you will see there are some lumps, meaning I didn't blend quite fine, but yeah, I already noticed when I was already cooking it, so I just allowed it to cook. And this is how it is so far. This is a ready meal. I always eat it with my chapati. You can eat it with mahamri or something else and enjoy your meal. So yeah, hope you've learned how to cook this. Just cook and share with me how it turned out. And thanks for watching till this point. I think I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.